Hey, stop scrolling for a second. I know you probably think your passwords are safe. You've got uppercase, lowercase, a sprinkle of numbers, maybe a special character or two. But let me tell you something. None of that matters if you miss this one crucial step. Alright, let's get real. Most people rely on passwords like they're some unbreakable shield. But hackers? They're not trying to guess your mom's maiden name letter by letter. Nope. They use powerful software that can run millions, yes, millions, of password combinations in seconds. And if you're using the same password for your email, your bank, and your pizza delivery app, you're basically handing out your front door key to everyone at the party. It doesn't matter how complicated your password is. If it gets leaked from one site, cybercriminals will try it everywhere. That's called credential stuffing, and it's way more common than you think. So what's the secret sauce? Multi-factor authentication, or as your techie friend might say, MFA. It's not just a fancy buzzword. It's the difference between being an easy target and being nearly unbreakable. Here's how it works. After you enter your password, the site asks for something else. Maybe a code sent to your phone, maybe a fingerprint, maybe a face scan. Even if someone steals your password, they can't get in without that second step. Think about it. If a burglar steals your house key but you've got a security alarm, they're out of luck. That's what multi-factor authentication does for your digital life. Look, I get it. You might think, one more thing to do? But trust me, that extra tap or text is nothing compared to the hassle of recovering a hacked account. So here's what you need to do today. Go to your most important account's email, banking, social media, and turn on multi-factor authentication. Most sites make it super easy. And while you're at it, consider using a password manager. Those apps can create and remember super strong, unique passwords for every site, so you don't have to. Remember, passwords alone are like putting a lock on your door without closing the windows. Secure your accounts with MFA and you'll slam those windows shut. Alright, that's all it takes to level up your security. Don't wait until you get hacked. Protect yourself now. Hit that like button if you learned something new and share this with someone who still uses password 123. Stay safe out there.